Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 10 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we're going to be doing exercise number 14, and we are in a 3/4 time signature and going up on eighth notes to the 7th of the scale. Kind of tricky.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So again, this is a pattern that we're not really used to doing a lot. So it's very important that you get used to the flow of this line and you feel the difference in the rhythmic pulse over the points of the scale. Tuning is really important here also. Again, as I've been saying since the beginning of this scale work, it's really important that you attend to each pitch very carefully and that you hear that resonance of the pitch as well as the actual fundamental. So you're hearing the overtone and the fundamental, and you're always trying to stay consistent within that color because that affects tuning. You might be singing the right note, but it doesn't sound in tune, and that's because your resonance is shifting on each point of the scale. So let's give this a try, and I want you to just listen first. We're gonna do. Feeling that fluidity. Da 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 da. It's like a waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. Let's give it a try. And feel that dance influence, feel that freedom in the line. Don't get locked down to perfect metronomic accuracy because that will freeze the throat muscles.